kids, welcome back to English Grammar Session Class 4th. As we have started off with chapters Noun and its kind, in which we have learnt about nouns and its identification in sentences. Let's have a quick recap about the previous part so that today we can move further with kinds of noun. Noun. Noun is a name given to a person, place, animal or thing. For example, a boy, girl, doctor, table, Taj Mahal, Dehradun, city, state, grapes, lion, etc. Now, kids, let's move further. We will study kinds of noun in which we have proper noun, common noun, collective noun, and abstract noun. We'll study all these nouns in detail. In this session, we'll go on and further study about common and proper nouns. Before moving forward, let's observe a chart over here. You can see over here a chart. Few words are filled up in clouds. Can you observe these? Yes, you can observe the words in the cloud over here. There are many clouds and there are few words written inside it. So far as you have learned, students, you can easily recognize that these words like Miss Jane, corn, dog, song, India, Turkey, they all are nouns. They are either a name of a person, place, animal or thing. Now kids, one thing more. Let me tell you kids that though they all are nouns, still quite difference is there between each word. Can anyone guess what is the difference? Let me explain. Few words over here begin with capital letter and few with small letters. Like have a look in this picture. Miss Jane, the very first word in the cloud, M is capital. Then down dog, it is written with small letters. D is small over here. Then again Sunday, S is capital. December, D is capital. Girl, again G is small. So can anyone guess what is the reason behind this? Let me explain you. So let's learn, students, what is the reason behind these. It can be explained with the further knowledge of proper and common nouns. Now first, let us talk about proper nouns. Kids, when we talk about proper noun, it refers to a specific person, place or thing. The proper noun always begins with a capital letter. Proper noun also includes specific name of the day and months of the year. Let us clear proper nouns with the help of few examples. Now you can have a look of this picture. Suri Cruz. Girl named Suri Cruz. It is a proper noun as among many girls we refer to a specific girl named Suri Cruz. Next we have a picture of newspaper, and what is the name of the picture? Hindustan Times. So it is a proper noun because among many newspapers we are talking about one single newspaper, that is Hindustan Times. So over here Hindustan Times is a proper noun. Then next we have Taj Mahal. Then also we are talking about a specific monument, so it is also considered as a proper nouns. So kids, whenever we point out towards any specific person, place or thing, we term it as proper nouns. Now let us move forward with common nouns. It refers to the name given in common to every person, thing or place of the same category. They do not begin with capital letter. We can learn about common nouns with the help of few examples. For example, this is a picture of a boy. No name of boy is mentioned over here. Generally, we are talking about a simple boy. It can be Harsh, it can be any other boy, so we don't know. So we have termed it as common noun. Now, second example, car. Next, we have a picture of a car and we are talking about a specific car. We are not talking about a specific car. It is considered as a common noun because it is a common category of vehicle used to travel from one place to another. Then we have a doctor, which is again a common category given to all the persons who treat the patients. Now kids, to make the topic more clear, let me give you few more examples. We'll compare. Now over here, Mrs. Kusum Budula. So as we are talking about a particular lady, it comes under the category of proper noun. Now then on the other side we have mother. Mother can be anyone, your mother, my mother, so it is a common category. So it comes under common noun. Then again next is Honda City. So we are focusing on a specific variety of car, that is Honda City, whereas car is a common category, so it is a common noun. Next is Ganga. So among the common category of river, we are here talking about a specific river, Ganga. Next, among many ships, we are talking about Titanic. So kids, now you can easily find out the difference between common and proper noun. Let's come up with the exercise part. Underline the common noun with red and proper noun with green. Let me read out. Hari Prasad is an intelligent student. The Ganga is a holy river. The Indian army marched ahead bravely. Savri is admired for her intelligence. Largest city in America is New York. Mathematics is my favorite subject. Othello is a play written by Shakespeare. Shah Rukh Khan is a very famous actor. Now what you have to do is you have to select the common noun with red and proper noun with green. So just have a look and we'll go through the solutions once. Hari Prasad is an intelligent student. In this case, we are talking about a specific student, Hari Prasad. So it is a proper noun, and student is a common category of children, so it is a common noun. Now again next, Ganga is a holy river. So among a common category of river, we are referring to only specifically Ganga. So in this sentence, river is a common noun and Ganga is proper noun. Again next, the Indian army marched ahead bravely. In this sentence, we are talking particularly about Indian army. So Indian over here is proper noun. Okay. Now you can observe the next sentence. Savri is admired for her intelligence. So we are talking here about Savri. Savri is a proper noun because she is a specific girl. Okay. So kids, now you can just have a look towards rest of the sentences and try to practice yourself. You can observe all the proper nouns begin with capital letters and common nouns with small letters. We'll move forward with collective noun and abstract noun in the next video. Till then, revise and practice the exercises given in video and PDF.